drama. Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. No wahala, no.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new wig, y'all. With summertime like literally right around the corner, I wanted to kind of incorporate some color into my look, so I went ahead and I picked up this brand new V-part wig, and this does have their new upgraded V-part cap. Now this wig does come from Unice, and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I will have all the links, details, and information located in the info section below. Again, I wanted some color for the summertime, so I picked up this balayage brown ombre curly V-part wig. It does have 5 wefted clips, 3 combs, and a drawstring in the back, so you can get a nice fit, a nice comfortable fit. And you also have that removable adjustable elastic band. And once again, this unit is in this gorgeous beautiful texture. My unit is 24 inches long and it's about 180% density. Now I did put my hair in 2 little cornrows in the very front. Well, my whole entire hair is like braided up. Just kind of put away, you know, it's been real hot lately, so I just have my hair just braided up, put away. But I did put 2 little cornrows in the front, and I allowed this to sit and dry just so I can get a nice texture to blend in with my V-part wig. Now you do not have to pull out any hair. I just choose to, just because I like to pull out hair when I'm wearing U-part wigs, V-part wigs. However, this unit is with or without leave out. So if you guys want to see some of my previous videos on how I wear my units without any leave out, I'll be sure to link a video in the card above. But for the most part in this video, I will be pulling out my own leave out. So once again, I did braid up my hair just so I can get a nice matchable texture to blend in with the wig. This is what my leave out looks like. Now I did apply a little bit of serum on my fingers just to where I wouldn't build up any frizz or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair away because I'm not going to need it for this particular style. So here is what the V part looks like. I will be cutting off that little strap that closes up the V part because you do not need it. So go ahead and cut that out, and this is what the unit looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get the unit on. You guys do notice that I didn't put on a stocking cap or anything like that because I have a hard time wearing a stocking cap with the V part wig. You really don't need it, so I just decided not to wear it. Now I am going to use 2 of the wefted clips. I typically like to use all 4. Well, there's 5 in this wig, but I like to use 4 of them. In this particular video, I only used the 2 front ones, and then I just went ahead and I adjusted the unit using the drawstring in the back, and this is pretty much what the unit looks like on. Now you can go in and define these curls, but I like the way that they look, just real fluffy, and it just blended in perfectly with my leave out. Even with this color, it's really kind of giving a nice pop of color, not too extreme, just a nice subtle pop of color that I just absolutely loved. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of lay my baby hairs and get everything nice and smoothed. Alright, and this is what this wig is currently looking like. Y'all, this unit hits around waist length on me. It's about 24 inches long. I'm pretty tall, it's waist length. But y'all, look at how beautifully this unit blends in with my natural hair. Now you guys do notice on this unit, towards like the root area, it is pretty straight, but with your leave out coming right out, it just blends in flawlessly. It matches the curl pattern of this unit, and I thought it was so cute. Once again, my hair is black, and you guys just see how it just gives a subtle pop of color. It's not doing too much. It's just a subtle peekaboo type of pop of color that I'm just here for. And I just love the fact that I didn't go in and define these curls. I just kind of left them how they came. They're real nice and fluffy. And I feel like the more that you really go in, you can kind of create some more volume. I am totally in love with this unit. So again, you guys do check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.